Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and today we are going to learn how to log in Kahoot Quiz account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Kahoot Quiz account, then what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser that you like, and after opening up your browser, now in search bar you can search for kahoot.com. And after searching for Kahoot.com, now if you don't have an account, then what you can do is just simply tap on sign up for free. But if you do have an account, then what you can do is just simply tap on login. So I'll just tap on login, and after tapping on login, now in order to log into your account, you just have to enter your username or email address and then enter the password. So after entering your details, now what you can do is just simply tap on login, and after tapping on login, you should log into your account. But if you don't log into your account and if it shows you an error like you have entered the wrong password, then what you can do is just tap on this forgot password option and then reset and recover your password. But if you don't face that problem, then what you can do is just simply tap on login. And after tapping on login here, you can see guys you have successfully logged into your Kahoot Quiz game account. So that's it guys, this is how to log in Kahoot Quiz account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.